Hello and welcome to my channel. This is English Heritage Site. I'm at Kirkham Priory, that's in North Yorkshire. Extensive ruin of a priory founded by Walter Epps of Helmsley Castle. And well, the weather is not as good, it's all wet, but look at the beautiful view behind me and the ruins of history. There is a car parking available and you can buy some souvenirs. There's a gift shop, but it's surrounded by beautiful amazing scenery. So history, anyone who loves history, please do visit this priory. This is Kirkham Priory in North Yorkshire. I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for English heritage and reviews. I'm on TikTok channel also and YouTube channel, so please do visit my playlist of English heritage site. And if you haven't shared my channel, please do share with your friends and family who can enjoy English heritage sites, travel with my eyes and look at this beautiful view. Keep enjoying.